Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are gonna run a local LLM, so a private AI right inside your computer, not the cloud but on our own hardware. This ensures privacy and also use without internet. So how to get started? We will install Ollama, and to do that we are gonna press Windows and R and type PowerShell. Now this is gonna open this. In here, you're gonna paste this, which I will leave in the description, and now it will install. Okay, so after installing Ollama, you will go to this website, ollama.com/search, and search a model. Now, there are many here that you can use, but I will use DeepSeek. Sorry, Seek. I'm gonna get this one, DeepSeek R1, and I will get this one. So, how to install this and run it? We'll go back into your command cell and type Ollama run and then the model you choose. So this one for me. And now you're gonna wait for it to install. It will take some time. The Okay, so it installed. I got another model because the other one was too big and my computer couldn't handle it. And so, oh no, it's the exact same, sorry. And now I'm gonna type yeah, hello, wait, uh, hello, how are you? And let's see what it's gonna answer. And it's doing something. It's probably loading, thinking what to answer. So eventually, my computer is just too bad to do this fast. It has been running for an hour. It does work, I'm certain, but my computer is just super old and super bad. So yeah, I won't see much for a long time. But if you got a better computer, it will work. Or if you have a other model than this one, this might be too heavy for me. So that concludes for the video. Thank you for watching. And that's it, yeah. I know I sound like a 9-year old, but yeah, I'm not. Also, please leave a like, a comment, but I hope this helped. This is like the best way. Also, if you want to see more documentation or more models and everything, it's at ollama.com. Thank you for watching.